Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a 4th of July sign using some napkins I got at Marshall's. So I grabbed this sign from Hobby Lobby. It stands up on its own. It's like a little mini pallet sign. It was $3.99. I got these napkins at Marshall's, and they're super cute with a little red wagon. Some craft sticks, the jumbo-sized ones. 4 wooden stars that I also got at Hobby Lobby in a mix pack. Some white chalk paint, some blue chalk paint, and some Mod Podge. And I also used red chalk paint because I actually changed my mind about the color. So the first thing I did was paint the whole sign white with the white chalk paint. But then I decided that I didn't like it, and I ended up changing it to red. So I used Imperial red chalk paint instead. And you'll see where I change it. So I just covered the whole sign with the white, so I guess we're going to call this the primer. And next I'm going to paint all of the stars white with the white chalk paint. Then I'm going to cut my popsicle sticks down, or my craft sticks down, to the size of my napkin. So you can have 4 pieces, and I'm going to paint those all with the blue chalk paint. Now, when I cut the craft sticks, I made it so that it would make like a frame. So 2 of the pieces are going to have to fit inside of the side pieces. So the top and the bottom will need to fit in between the other ones. So you're going to have to cut those ones a little bit shorter. Next, I peeled the 2 plies off the napkins and then cut out the design that I wanted. I just cut out 1 square, and I still have 3 other ones on that 1 napkin to use. Next, I'm going to put a little Mod Podge right in the center. I'm going to figure out about the placement that I want my napkin. So I'm going to put it right about there. So I will put the Mod Podge right in that spot, and it's okay if you go a little over. And I'm just going to lay the napkin on, and I'm just going to slowly go over it with my hands and press it into the Mod Podge. Make sure it's all pressed down. There's no bubbles and no wrinkles. And that's super cute, right? And see, you can see how the sign stands on its own. I'm going to use my heat gun and dry that. Then once it was dry, I put another coat of Mod Podge over the top of the napkin, just to seal it on and make sure that it was fully stuck on there. And that's it, all fully Mod Podged and all dried. So this is where I decided I was going to change the color, and I wish I had put it all together before, but, you know, we crafters like to change our minds. So as you can see, I'm going to do the stars white and the frame in the blue, so the white was just too much. So I figured that I needed to offset it with a different color, so this is where I chose to do it red. So I just painted around the napkin with the Imperial red chalk paint. And it comes out really good. I got a little on the napkin, but that's okay because I'm going to cover it with the blue craft sticks that we just painted. So here you're going to see, you're going to have 2 long pieces on either side. I'm just going to hot glue those into place. I'm just going to glue them right to the edge of the napkin. I'm going to do the same on the other side. And then you'll see what I mean when I put the top and the bottom on. It's going to be kind of in between the 2 ones that we just put on vertically. So you're going to want to cut it a little bit shorter than the longer ones on the side. So as you can see, I needed to trim it down just a little bit to make sure it fit, and then I'll glue it into place. So we kind of framed out the napkin using the craft sticks. And see how cute that is? And I really like the red way better Next, we're going to glue all 4 of our stars on each corner of our little frame that we just made. I absolutely love the way this turns out. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to spread the chaos, and I really hope this inspires you guys to make your own.